Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Home updates and reset smart home routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin with, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Google Home device. Tap on the device's icon in the top right corner. Locate the Google Home device you want to uninstall updates from. Press and hold the device icon until a menu appears. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Device Information option. Here, note the current software version of your device. To uninstall updates, you will need to factory reset the device. Return to the main settings menu and scroll to the bottom. Select More to access additional settings. Choose Factory Reset. Confirm the action when prompted to reset your device. Wait for the device to complete the reset process. Once complete, your Google Home will revert to its original settings. Now, to set up your smart home routines again, open the Google Home app. Tap on the routines icon in the main menu. Select Add a routine to create a new routine. Specify the trigger for your routine, such as a voice command or time. Next, add the actions you would like the routine to perform. You can choose from various options like controlling lights or playing music. After customizing your routine, tap Save to complete the setup. Test your routine to ensure it functions as expected. If further adjustments are necessary, revisit the Routines section to make changes. Now you have successfully uninstalled Google Home updates and reset your smart home routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.